Hey, how's it going tonight? How are you? I hope you are well. I hope you are enjoying the week here. It's Thursday, which means it's almost Friday, which is awesome. So very excited about that. But I'm also very excited about to do a video here for some different kinds of fidgets. Like the last couple of videos I've been doing, I guess you could consider more on the premium side. We've had our Magnuses, our billet spin, our indie thick spinner, and Loudy. So I wanted to give some time to stuff you would find on Etsy, and I mentioned this in the peanut slider video, and I was talking about the word premium and how that gets kind of thrown around. Um, and I do think you can have premium experiences in a different way than what you experience with something that has been, you know, finely crafted out of metal that requires like a CNC machine, things like that. And here, not to diminish 3D printing at all, but I did want to instead kind of put a spotlight on some stuff that I've really enjoyed. And I'm going to do a couple of videos about some of this stuff. And to start with, I wanted to start, I wanted to begin with MetalFidgets on Etsy. They come in this cool little printed cocoon, if you will, that also sort of doubles as a display case or a display stand for it. This is, of course, a haptic coin. This is the first one that I purchased. And oddly enough, I didn't think I was going to enjoy haptic coins, and in fact they've kind of become one of my favorite sorts of fidgets. So we've got a haptic coin here, and I also purchased another haptic coin from MetalFidgets, and this one has a little bit of a copper inlay, as you can see. And the owner was so nice. He actually, so I have to totally declare this, I guess. Like, he sent me these two just for being like maybe his first repeat customer, which hey, I'm honored. And these are all awesome, fun fidgets. And if you're into haptic coins, and you appreciate just kind of this more quiet ones, even though I'll get to this one in a second. These two are great. I mean, honestly, like they're, obviously they're 3D printed. But they're silent. So I work at home. I don't want to completely annoy my wife at night. So having something that is quiet that you can, push around in the hand, these are absolutely perfect. And they're tough. They're built really, really well. If you drop it, it's okay. If you accidentally step on it, which I have done, it's okay. This one's more magnetic. This one has more of a mechanical feel, and you do get, I don't know if you can really hear that. There's a tiny little click. But I love these two, and they were, like I said, really instrumental in me figuring out that I really enjoyed haptic coins. This one actually has some noise to it, and when I'm alone, this is the one that I typically will grab. Really, really nice sort of metallic sound. Really good click. And again, same deal. Built really, really well. It's okay if you drop it. Obviously, this has been tarnished because I'm not cleaning it as often as I should, but it's great. I love them. And this, if you enjoy like popping bubble wrap, this thing is amazing. You just kind of push these through. And this is one that I don't play with as much as I probably should, because it is awesome. Every time I pick it up, it kind of makes me happy. So yeah, I'm going to include the link to MetalFidgets. I believe the owner's name is Austin. Austin's super cool. I've really enjoyed everything that I've purchased from there. There's another haptic coin that I will probably be picking up. So yeah, definitely give him some business. He's making some pretty cool stuff, and it's really affordable. So if you're kind of on the fence about something, and this is how I got into haptic coins, was I just gave it a try because there was a really low point of entry. And turns out really, really enjoyed them. So definitely check out MetalFidgets. And if you already have something from them and want to leave a comment, that's awesome. Or if you buy something and want to leave a comment, that's even better. So thank you guys so much again for your time. Thank you for checking out MetalFidgets if you get a chance to. And I'll see you on the next video.